Namaste. My name is Subay. My YouTube channel name Yoga with Subay. Today I will teach Sanskrit. Three type Sanskrit: beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. Okay. Now go to start. First I will teach beginner. Both leg, both feet wider, minimum little bit. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, both hands, both palms down beside your hip. Knee, look forward. Both knee. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Right leg, right knee on your mat, left leg, left feet on your mat. Inhale, inhale, look forward. Exhale, exhale your left leg back. Now go to down dog. Both heel down, both leg, both knees straight, both hand, both elbows straight. Look on your both big toes. Inhale, plank pose. Your both hand on your shoulder line. Look down. Both leg, both knee down on your neck. Tuck toes. Chest on mat, chin on mat. Both palms beside your rib cage. Inhale, cobra, your shoulder back. Look forward. Exhale. Now go to down dog and downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg out. Exhale, right leg forward between your hands. Left leg, left knee bend on your mat. Toes down. Both hands, both palms beside your heel. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Left leg forward. Between your hands, both palms beside your heel. Look forward. Inhale. Both hands up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, both palms together on your chest. Second, intermediate. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, both palms down. Look forward. Both knees. Inhale, right leg up, exhale down. Right leg, right knee down on your neck, toes down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Now your left leg back. Now go down dog and downward facing. Inhale, plank. Exhale, half chukra. Both knee down, toes down. Inhale. Exhale, half chukra. Inhale. Cobra, shoulder back. Exhale, now go to down dog and downward facing. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg forward. Left leg, left knee down on your mat, toes down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, look up, look on your shin. Inhale up. Exhale, palms up. Now your left leg forward, beside your hip. Knee thumb. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale, both palms together on your chest. Advanced level. Both palms together on your chest. Inhale, both hands up. Accelerate. Inhale. Exhale. Both hands, both palms up. Both hands catch your ankle. Forehead, touch your knee. Palms are back. Both knees. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Keep your balance. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, down. Now your left leg back. Now go to down dog and down facing. Inhale, plank. Look down. Exhale. Full chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Upper facing down. Shoulder left. Knee thumb. Look forward. Knee straight. Exhale, down. Go to down dog and down facing. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg forward. Between your hand. Keep your balance. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg forward. Both hands catch your ankle. Inhale. Exhale. Forehead touch your knee. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale. Both knees straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, both palms together on your chest. Namaste, everyone.